Oh my goodness, have I got a beautiful mansion for you today here on YouTube, and Archie wants to be in the video too, don't you Archie? So let's have a check out of this 6-bedroom beautiful mansion here in Barari. I mean, I have not stopped going wow, wow, wow as I walk around every single bedroom in the garden, so I'm hoping that you're going to do the same. So check this out because it is like nothing else I've ever done a video of here on my YouTube channel. So, as we always do, and we are at the front door, which I'll show you in just one second, but look at this. It's like you have your garden in your home, and that's exactly what this owner has done to really feel like you're inside, but you're outside if you like. So let's walk through the interior courtyard, and you've got this fabulous dining room, and all of this floor has all been done and tiled. But look at this, just absolutely beautiful. All the walls, it makes you feel like you're in the garden with this green and this wallpaper, which we'll see out to the garden here. And we're gonna go outside in just a second, but just check out where we've walked. This is the dining area. So this is fabulous for entertaining. You can imagine candles and music, the acoustics at night as you've got a harpist playing. And then we go into the main formal living area here. So again, this wallpaper's been done on purpose, so you really feel like you're in the garden. If this is not to your taste, you know, of course, you can always change it. But here we are. And the garden is surrounding us throughout. So here we have it, your outer deck. You've got the swimming pool, and I will take you out to the garden in just a minute. But just huge grounds everywhere. That's through to the dining room. Okay, so let's walk back through the house. We're going to the courtyard. And now I'm going to take you into the kitchen area. Okay, so here is the kitchen. There we have it. Okay, so in the kitchen it's all Miele products. There we have it. Okay, there we have it. Beautiful kitchen, large for the family, open plan, and you know, you've got this lovely hatch here. So if you wanted, you could also make this your dining room, although I love what the owner's done with the family living area. Doors out to the garden here, and you've got a little sort of dining area, which actually the owner is using as her art room right now. But again, this, if you've got a young family, this could be where the kids are. You can watch them from the living area. And here is the living area as well, the family living area, which I love. I think this is perhaps one of my favorite rooms because it's so cozy, it's very light, and you're right here by the garden and the swimming pool, which again, check out on the video. So let's go back through the home, and we'll go and check out the 6 bedrooms. And Archie is still with me, just about, aren't you, Archie? By the way, he's not the only dog, there's more dogs in here. And just check out the ceiling because it's so high. You know, when I walked in, and that's where I walked in from, the front door, I said to the owner, I said, I feel like I'm in a riad in Marrakesh. You know, those beautiful like country palaces that they have, and there's a lot of boutique hotels. So this is your downstairs toilet. Absolutely fabulous. I mean, wow. And you know what? I might be able to get you that mirror included. Throw it in with this house if you decide to take this property with me. I just love this room. It's definitely my favorite, the courtyard. Okay, let's go on through the house. So we've come in the front door. That was the front door. That was the kitchen. And now we're going to the 6 bedrooms. So first door is in here. That is actually just a storage, but it's very helpful to have a large storage area in the house. And then we've got the downstairs bedroom here. And in Barari, these bedrooms are so spacious. I mean, look at this bathroom, it's huge. And a kitchen, shower, walk-in, and you've even got a plunge pool back here. Very, very private. They're just doing a little bit of refilling right now with clean water. Double sink, love it, the bath. And what I also love about Barari, check this out. This is your dressing room. So it's huge, right? So you've got a walk-in dressing room. Really, really nice in here. Okay, let's carry on up through the bedrooms. And of course, you can get out here to the garden. Just such a lovely space throughout. Okay, now before we go up to those bedrooms, I'm just going to take you down quickly to this room, which is known as the podcast room, okay? Or it could be the Mancave, the cigar room. But look at this, and it's soundproof throughout. Just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're watching this and you've always dreamed of a man cave or a soundproof like gym or whatever, if you're a recording studio, then that is definitely your room. And by the way, we do also have a home cinema as well. So now let's walk back through the house. And bedroom 2 is here, okay? So this is actually used at the moment as the massage room, really nice and light. And you've got the bathroom in there with a walk-in shower. Okay, that could also be a study as well. And now let's walk upstairs to the 4 bedrooms up here. So let's just check out the house as we're going. Just really, really nice. Here we have it. Right, so we've got the teenage room. Here we have it, and it's been made to look like being in the jungle, which I love. So there we have it, really lovely, amazing wallpaper. And this bathroom as well, which is really nice. Shower. Here we have it, and a bath, double sink. Isn't that a gorgeous bedroom? And look at this for your teenager. What a dressing room. I mean, there's not many dressing rooms this big for teenagers. So, and they also have a door that will go out to their upstairs balcony. Right, okay, let's go back through. Here we have it. So now we have another bedroom in here, which is gorgeous. It's a really nice guest bedroom or another children's room. So you've got a walk-in shower in there. But look at this, isn't it gorgeous? Really, really nice. And that's your view. All large terraces and balconies here. And in there is more storage. And you've got the cupboards in there. And then we come up to this room, which is really cool. It's one of the kids' rooms. Really, really nice. Nice and light and airy. Got a little Juliet balcony there. This is Barari, so you can see the view. And an ensuite bathroom. I mean, all bedrooms here have ensuite bathroom, a nice spacious shower as well. But I have left the best till last. We are now going to go and see the master suite. Just check this out. Before we do, look at the view looking down into the courtyard. Isn't that just gorgeous? These amazing high ceiling. I mean, you really do feel like you're in a palace. You've got a little quiet reading area here. And now, let's check out. This is it. This is the walk into the master bedroom. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love these Moroccan lights. Aren't they beautiful? So here we have it. The master bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. So you've got a nice seating area. Very, very spacious. And by the way, all the details on the built-up area of this villa and also the price and the plot, they're all below in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out. Hello. But look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This, I believe, is the largest walk-in dressing room that I have ever seen in Dubai, and it's here on this video in this mansion. So if you have a lot of clothes, this is your villa. So look at this, isn't it fabulous? I mean, this is larger than some people's, offices. It's just beautiful. Look at this. So lots and lots and lots of space. And now my favorite room of all. Are you ready? The bathroom is amazing. Like, I literally said, wow. Are you ready? And go. Here it is. Isn't that to die for? Wow, like just amazing. There's no other bathrooms in Barari quite like this. You've got these beautiful steps leading up to the bath. That's a sauna in there. Yes, your very own sauna. Just look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? And that shower could literally shower 20 people at once. You could have a shower party. In fact, I'm just going to stand in the shower. Wow. I mean, wow. Isn't this beautiful? So I think you'll agree, this is a pretty unique mansion here in the heart of Barari. And then little toilet behind there, but just absolutely beautiful. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to walk back downstairs because I do want to show you outside, and actually we're going to look at the balconies. So let's just quickly turn the camera. And here's the balcony. And we are just going to walk outside for a minute so you can see this balcony because it's enormous. So that's the swimming pool is being done tomorrow. It's being cleaned so the water won't look so green. I think it's really important to get a feeling for what's around us, what's close by. We'll go and walk around the garden. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay. So we've got more, look at this. I mean, there's just more and more space. Got another room at the top there. That was back to one of the bedrooms. But it's, I mean, this is a very grandiose mansion, and you know, that is why Barari is very sought after, because you really have a lot of space here, you know, upstairs sink and barbecue area. You can have a rooftop party here, and you've got all these walks around Barari. And that's why Barari is so sought after, because there's a feeling of space and greenery that you don't find elsewhere in Dubai. As we're walking to the garden, let me go through a few things. If you're watching this video and you don't live in Dubai and you're wondering how can you buy a property if you don't have a bank account, if you're not a resident yet, don't worry, I can help you through all of that. So I have a lot of non-residents that are buying property. We have lawyers to help you do that. Of course, you'd want to come and have a look around the villa. But if you don't, or you've got somebody that can do it for you, let me know. And we're very happy to facilitate that. And oh, I did forget a few things. Let's go in every room yet. So here's the front door. And let's go through this part of the house. We haven't seen it yet. So this is the domestic help, the nanny, the maids area. So that's their kitchen. So I would say, again, the largest maid's kitchen I've seen. You've got the laundry room here, okay? And you've also got here, that's through to the double garage. Just show you that. That's the double garage. And I will also show you down to the cinema. I'm not sure if cinema is on. There we go, it's on. Okay, so check this out. Now this is just being renovated at the moment, but you do have this massive cinema room. Gosh. Let's see if I can get the lights on. There we have it. So this is your cinema, and it's even got its own toilet downstairs. So that's just under renovation, but that will be done very soon. And now, let's walk through the garden. And then you get a feel for the whole house, okay? So, let's take you to the garden area. And here we have it. So you can walk the whole way around the garden. So you've got the gate there. Here we have it. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, so much space. This feels like a garden in Europe. It's beautiful. Okay, so here is your garden area. Swimming pool will be cleaned tomorrow, so don't look at that too closely, but just beautiful. That's the house. And then you've got this lovely sort of bar area. Can you imagine entertaining your guests? That's all the seating area that's covered at the moment. You've got this little football area for the kids, and barbecue area, hammock. This is a door out, because in Barari what's famous for is all these lovely little walkways. And I'm going to do another video on all the walkways in Barari because they are so special. It's a really green community. So let's walk you back through the garden area. It's just absolutely glorious. Beautiful. I think you'll agree this is probably one of the greenest mansions that I've ever sold. Here we go. Just gorgeous. Really large plot as well, huge. And there's so much you can do. So if you're a mad gardener, this is definitely the mansion for you. I mean, look how much space you've got throughout. So there you have it. So if you want some more details on this villa, if you want to come and view this villa, my details are in the description below of this video. And thank you so much for watching, as always, my videos. And if this is your dream home, or maybe you know someone who wants this house, forward this video to them, get in touch with me. I've been living here 13 years. I've bought a property myself, which has doubled in value in under a year, and I'm here to help you next. Really, really excited to meet you. Take care. See you soon.